The Nothing Phone 4a series is scheduled for a global launch tomorrow. The lineup is expected to include both a standard Phone 4a and a Phone 4a Pro. Nothing Phone 4a come in white, black, blue, and pink, featuring a new Glyph Bar notification system with brighter, individually controllable mini LEDs. The redesigned interface uses 9 mini LEDs across 6 square segments, reportedly 40% brighter than previous models. Standard model feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. On the back will feature a 50MP main, a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and an 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP front-facing shooter. The Nothing Phone 4a is expected to use the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipset, include 8GB or 12GB of RAM paired with up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, a 5,400 mAh battery with 50W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The standard Phone 4a is expected to cost around $475 US, while the Phone 4a Pro could have a higher $540 US price tag.